What is going on, everybody? My name is Ray and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my YouTube thumbnails. So let's get started. So before the editing, I wanna show you guys how I actually take the picture for the thumbnail. So let's get to it. So what I do is take a picture with my iPhone and set it on a tripod and actually take a picture in front of a wall. It can be any wall as long as it's a solid color. I'm actually taking a picture in front of my closet, but it makes it easier in post to be able to like cut yourself out. Really depends on what the thumbnail is, but I like to cut myself out of the picture and make sure the wall is solid. All right, you guys, so I just finished taking the picture for the thumbnail. So let's get to the editing part. So I am on express.adobe.com and I will link this in the description, and once you guys click on that link, it'll bring you to this exact page here. So now, I like using this website because it has a whole bunch of things you can do. You can make flyers, Instagram story, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, etc. But for this video, we are making a YouTube thumbnail. So I want you guys to scroll over to the right and you'll see YouTube thumbnail, and you want to click on that and start from scratch. So once you guys click on that, it'll bring you to this empty template here. I just want to get you guys familiar with the website really quick, and once you get to this page, it'll have these icons here on the left side. So you have libraries, logos, backgrounds, design assets, icons, photos, text, templates, and discover. And it is on templates right now. And what you guys, if you guys want to actually create from these templates, you guys can, but today I'm actually creating from this empty template here. On the right side, you have colors, animation, background, resize, and design. So how I get started is I like to add a picture. So let's go ahead and add the picture I'm going to use. I save that on my desktop. So I'm using this picture here. So what I want to do is click on the picture. Once you click on the picture, you'll see this on the right side, edit image. What I want to do is remove the background. And like I said earlier, you want to take a picture in front of a wall or a backdrop of some sort, just so once it masks out everything, you'll have a clean mask. And what I'm doing is masking myself out. So let's remove the background, and you see here how it looks so clean except for this little area here. But you can always, zoom in, erase whatever you need to erase. For example, let's go ahead and erase this little part here. Look kind of weird. All right, and you can also restore whatever you need to restore if it's not to your liking. So go ahead and press done. All right, now I have the mask. Now I'm going to resize myself and set myself here on the right side. Make myself a little bigger. All right, now that I have this mask of myself, again, on the right side, you can add filters, enhancements, blurs, or even colors to your picture. If you pick effects, filters, you can make yourself black and white, lighten the picture up. But I like to do that a little bit later. Now, what I like to do also is copy myself. So I'm gonna copy this mask here, and it's gonna create another layer. So you see how this popped up on the right-hand side? It's different layers. So you have the background and two of me. Now what I'm gonna do is scoot myself over, line myself up, And for the one behind the second layer, what I'm gonna do is blur that out. And you see how it gives it a little bit of depth. I'm also gonna add a filter to it. And when you add a filter, it'll like kind of lighten up the picture behind you. So it gives it like this outline, this blue outline, or whatever color you wanna make it. I'm probably gonna leave it blue. I just like how it glows, it makes me glow. So I like that. And you know, you guys can always mess around with the picture if you guys want. Oops, I turned it off. And make it however you want. I'm just showing you guys how I actually make my thumbnails. Next, what I wanna do is add a background. So what I'm gonna do is go to Photos, and I'm going to search up Office. I wanna find something with computers. Okay, I'll probably use this one here. Drag that onto here. Go ahead and resize. And you see how the picture went in front of me. All you have to do is come to the layer side and bring it behind, and it'll go in the back. Simple as that. Now, I know a lot of people use different editing softwares to make their thumbnails. I personally like this website because it's really easy. But now that I have my background, I'm gonna go ahead and add a text. So I'm gonna come to the right or the left-hand side, and I'm going to choose a text. Now you can always just, you know, add a text and change the font if you wanted to, but I like choosing this one here specifically. It stands out, it's simple. All I do is basically just change the color and the text. How to create a YouTube thumbnail. All right, and then I'm going to center it. I'm gonna change the text color to yellow. Also add a shape to it, and I'm gonna add that shape and make it black. And I want to have a couple of words stand out. So what I like to do is, when you go here to the right side, you'll see main style. That's the whole text. If you press this plus sign, it'll highlight whatever text you want to highlight. For example, it's highlighting the how, and you can always, you know, drag this little ball and it'll highlight whatever word you want to highlight. But what I'm gonna do is make the how highlighted. I'm gonna change the color, and I'm gonna change it to red, and the background, I'll probably keep it. No, I actually change it back to yellow. And I'm also gonna highlight the YouTube. So I'm gonna go back to main style, and I'm actually gonna make it look like this. So YouTube thumbnails and titles are crucial to making a YouTube video or any type of video, because that's the first thing the viewer sees. So I like how this looks. Now, next what I'm gonna do is, actually, I forgot to do it, is blur out this picture here, the background picture. So I'm gonna blur this out so I can stand out more, the title stands out more. And I'm actually going to add a few more photos. So what I want to do is add previous thumbnails that I made and add them in this area here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go to Photos, X that out, and Upload Photo. And let's see, I'm gonna add this one. I'm going to also add, I'm probably gonna add 3 on here. This one, and I'm going to add my sisters. So my sister just started her YouTube channel. I will link her channel in the description. Go ahead and check it out. She does workout content. If you guys are trying to make them gains, go ahead and watch her videos. All right, so I'm just resizing everything to the way I want it. All right, so I want to add some type of border around here. So let's see if we can do that. All right, so on the right side, you have different designs and stuff like that. Never really messed with this, but I'm trying to see if they have any borders I can add. If not, then I'll probably just make a copy. So what I'll do is Option, okay, this, I'll probably just resize it just like that. Set that in the middle and then blur out the back and add a filter to it. So I'll probably add like a red filter or something like that. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So I'm pretty sure there's a way to add a border, but I'm just trying to be creative. So last but not least, I like to edit myself. So what I'm gonna do is I click on the mask, go to enhancements, and just mess with the brightness and saturation and everything else. Highlights, make myself look a little smoother. Bring down the shadows. Make myself stand out a little more. Sharpening. All right, so I think I am done with the thumbnail. Once you guys are done making your thumbnail, go ahead and click download in the upper right hand corner. Save it as a PNG and as a solid color. And then once you guys get that downloaded, you guys are good to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. If you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, join this journey, like this video. And if you guys want to see a cinematic video made on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I will link that video in the description as well. But again, hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys also enjoy the rest of your guys' day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.